Our CES 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon. Help support our content by going to PLUGHITZLive.com/Amazon.
How we doing, Internet? This is Chase Lowry for PLUGHITZ Live, reporting from CES 2018, Las Vegas, Nevada. Beautiful sunny day here. Here I am with Alex Souza, and founder and chairman of Volocopter, the head guy in charge. So, Alex, tell me what we got here. This looks awesome.
So we are happy here to be at the CES. So it's the first time for us to present the Volocopter in North America. So and we love it. We love it. Yes.
Nice. Well, so tell me a little bit about this. Now, I was listening to the demonstration, or I should say the instruction from the guy over here. And tell me a little bit about this. This is meant to be like a close proximity taxi in an urban environment.
So we say to it, it's a AAT. It's an autonomous air taxi, and it's a helicopter, but with a super drone technology. So we are looking for a future thing that it's not about private ownership for private helicopters, electric helicopters. It's about, we want to bring services in the mega cities where hundreds or thousands of these aircrafts will carry the people, and you can use it as like a taxi, like a Uber, for example, and it will be affordable. So it's to bring this to everybody and not only for managers or rich people. So this is a big thing we want to do. So it's about to conquer the world with that. So we think really big.
I really like that.
And you will see, we'll be the next, or will the big unicorn out of Europe.
Nice. Nice, I like that. Making air, local air conveyance more affordable for the common man. I do like that. So tell me a little bit about this now. How many different motors do we have, and basically how much flight time can we get from one charge? Because I know it's fully electric, correct?
Yes, so I'm talking now about the facts we have now in this development stage, not about what we have in 2 years or in 5 years.
Understand.
So it's really the fact we have it now. We have, with one of our prototypes, we have more than 500 flights. So. With this technology, in this moment, we can fly half an hour. So this is really amazing. So we can use this in this moment for short distance taxi flying in inner city, because you don't have to fly 50 kilometers. It's about 10 miles flights and things like that. So this is real. So we can do it now. So this is a process for regulation building. So we work hard together with authorities all over the world. We get sea service in mega cities, and so we have our first trial 4 or 5 months ago. We had the first fully autonomous flight in a mega city in Dubai. So we flew through the skyline of Dubai, fully autonomous with the aircraft. And we also announced here on CES that we had our first passenger. So not a pilot flight, it's flying
no
pilot, and the passenger was Brian Krzanich, CEO of Intel. So this was really amazing also, and also we were part of the keynote of the opening of CES, and we flew with a 2-seater electric helicopter inside a theater, and the amazing thing was that we have only 5-foot space on the left and on the right side to the walls. On the left side, a plexiglass wall, and so that you never can do this with a traditional helicopter. Never.
It shows the maneuverability of this aircraft, which is very nice.
Yes. So this is really also a big step to fly in a theater in this narrow things, and you have a lot of turbulence because you pressure a lot of air down. So this is really from the technical side, it's a really big milestone for us.
Very nice. Now, just give me a quick timeline. When do you think we'll have this service available in the States? Like, when do you see it coming to, a big city, New York, Chicago, LA?
So our ambitious aim is to have in the next 2 to 3 years the first really commercial application. So we want to have 2 spots where the Volocopter flying from, for example, for a bottleneck, like flying from an airport in inner city, and then we have, for example, 50 aircraft flying this route, and you can go there and use it as a customer. So, and this will be somewhere in the world, perhaps here in North America. We don't know now where, but we are working hard on such a project for a first really commercial application in really 2 or 3 years.
Very nice. Okay. Well, Alex, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Reporting live for CES. This is Chase Lowry. You can go ahead and follow us live here at CES, plughits.com/CES. Thank you very much.